Manny.
Sorry. I plugged it back in. Done that 8 times.
Well, just leave it. Just leave it.
Okay. What's this one? Open it up.
Open it up and find out.
A box. I get a box. I always wanted this. You guys got me a netbook. You guys got me. You got me a netbook.
This is for Mommy and Daddy.
Oh my god. You guys got me a netbook. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. I agree.
What is that, Manny?
A train.
Isn't that what you wanted?
Uh-huh.
Now be careful, Lauren. Here.